This is a overhead document camera setup using a smartphone that is mounted to this cable stand that is screwed mounted to the desktop. And then you can either record your lecture, your presentation, by recording it to the phone, and then you can upload it to either Canvas or any way you want to share that lecture with your students. Or if you also want to, you can log into Zoom or Microsoft Teams meeting using your smartphone, and then you can present your lecture in live. A third option is you can install an app on your phone that will convert your phone to be a webcam, let's say a second webcam for your Zoom or Teams meeting, so that again your students can watch you demonstrating in real time. So in any way, this is fairly simple, straightforward setup, and then all you need is just notebooks and Sharpies, so that it is using a Sharpie is a good idea because it helps to see things much better than just a ballpoint pen. Thank you.